Hi, happy Valentine's Day. It's nice to see you all on the mat with your partners, hopefully. I'm lucky to have my partner, Anuvrat, here with me today. Many of you must be coming back from your honeymoons, but it doesn't mean that the honeymoon period has to be over. Let's do a partners yoga session. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Let's begin. So we're going to begin by turning our backs away from each other. Don't worry, we're going to face each other as well soon. You can grab each other's hands and we're going to slowly bend towards one side. Feel the stretch on the side of your waist and switch as if you're in a swing together and switch. One more time. Now come to the center, raise both the arms up and stretch up high as you can. My partner's really tall, he's pulling me rather. Keep stretching. 3, 2, and 1. Let's do one more on the side. 3, 2, and 1. Switch. 3, 2, and 1. Back to the center. Next, we're going to do the cat-cow stretch in this seated position. So one of you is going to pull your chin to your chest and tuck as much as possible. The other on the back will arch their back, open their chest wide. So let's begin. You can arch your back first. Inhale at the center. Okay. And I'm arching my back. Open our arms. Can take my hips slightly back. Stay there. We'll hold the pose for some time. 5, 4, 3. Oh, this feels really good. 2, and 1. Switch to the other side. You're both working your spines, very important stretch. Both of them are very good for your back. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come to the center. Next, let's do some twists. So we're going to face each other now. So we're both going to reach our left hands. His left hand to my left thigh. My left hand to his left thigh, and your right hand can either go on the mat or you can try to twist deeper and your partner can try to hold your hand while you're here, and we look as far back as we can. Feel the twist in your spine. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Let's switch to the other side. Right hand, right thigh, left palm back on the mat. Option 1. Or you can reach for your right partner's hand. Partner, try to help your partner reach. Twist as far back as you can. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Great. Next, we're going to do a boat pose modification together. So for the first version, we're going to move back. Place our palms behind on the mat. Bring the soles of our feet together and straighten our legs. Up, hold. 5, 4, 3. So even if you don't straighten completely and have a slight bend, that's fine. 2, and 1. Slowly release. Next, we're going to do another variation. So you have an option either to repeat this or you can try the next variation. Next, the soles of your feet are still together. This time you'll hold each other's hands and slowly lift your legs up. If your knees are bent, that's okay. But if you can straighten your legs, you're welcome to do that as well. Keep breathing. Let's move our feet slightly apart, look at each other and bring them back together. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Awesome. Next, we're going to move our feet wide apart. Soles of our feet are still together. Going to reach for each other's hands and turn by turn. First, I'm going to pull him towards me and I'm going to lean back as far back as I can. And then he's going to do the same. This helps you get a very deep stretch in your hamstrings. Good for your spine as well. Let's switch. Hold now. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly back to the center. Gently release. Next, we're going to move closer to each other. Feet are in front of each other's feet. We're going to reach for each other's hands. Feet are away from, close to each other. Yeah, but not on each other. Okay, so feet are close to each other and we're going to slowly stand up. This might be a little bit of a challenge or it might be easy for you. Nonetheless, give it a shot, otherwise you can come up the regular way. Okay, now we're going to do Vrikshasana, tree pose together, a balancing pose, also to balance your marriage or partnership. Okay, so bring your feet, left inner foot close to each other. You'll raise your inner arms up. The taller partner can stretch their arms further up. Then you're going to fold your outer leg and bring it to your inner thigh. So your feet can be slightly apart. Take your time. Then once you're comfortable, join your palms and hold the pose and smile. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. If you lose balance in between, no issues, just join back. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release this hand, your leg, and then the other hand. Next, we're going to do chair pose together. So you can hold your partner's hand and move slightly away from them. Feet will either be hip width apart or they can be close to each other. Either way is fine. And you're going to, so your knees and ankles remain in one line. Your knees shouldn't cross your toes. You're rather going to sit back as if you're sitting on a chair. Pull each other, support each other, but also help each other go deeper. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come up. Now that we've done this, let's work on each other's back. Let's help each other get a deeper stretch. in our back as well. Anuvrat, you can lie down. So he's going to grab my wrist and I'm going to grab his wrist. And first we'll just check if our partner is feeling okay if we lift them up slightly. Hold my wrist from slightly behind. Yeah. You're going to gaze in front. Don't turn your neck to the side when we do the pose. First just check. Are you feeling okay here? Okay, release. Now we're going to go deeper. I'm going to pull him up. 5. And if I want, I can sit back in chair pose. 4. 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Superb. My turn. Switch your partner. So again, you're going to check if your partner is feeling okay first. Check if there's any discomfort. Okay, I'm good. And then you move deeper into your pose. Pull slightly more. 5, yes. 4. So there has to be a resistance here. You lift them as much as you can. And the partner on the back, if they want, they can be in chair pose. 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Great job. Let's slowly come up. And you can come to the mat. Next, we're going to another nice stretch for the back, good stretch for the spine, which becomes even better with your partner's support again. Anuvrat, you can move to child's pose. So child's pose is with your, can you move slightly ahead? Yeah. So your feet are close to your hips, arms extended in front, knees are wide apart. This is extended child's pose. I'm going to sit behind him and then slowly arch my back, take support from him, either open my arms to the side or above, whatever feels good. Hold the pose. 5. Right now there's a lot of weight on him, so the partner who's down, if you do need a break, to let your partner know. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Let's switch. Of course, you have to take each other's weight. You also have to make things lighter for each other. Now I'm moving to child's pose. And Anuvrat, you can arch your back and relax. Five, 4. This really helps my child's pose too. Helps me go deeper. 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Let's come up to seated position. And let's end our practice by reminding ourselves to be in peace. We will chant Om once and Shanti thrice. In case anyone's not comfortable, you can just repeat peace, peace and peace to yourself thrice. Let's inhale and begin. much. We hope you enjoyed today's flow. There's a lot more that you can do as a couple, even in terms of your yoga practice, or even if you want to do individually. So stay tuned to more information, more flows on my Instagram channel or my YouTube channel. And if you're interested in personal sessions or group sessions with me, you're welcome to reach out and I'll be in touch.